company is Forever in Motion, and I'm Barb Asher, the inventor.
I'm Leonard Asher, the developer.
1 in 3 car seats are installed incorrectly. Over 75% of child passenger injuries are preventable. With so many types of cars out there today, coupled with so many car seat designs, installing a car seat is never the same from one car to another. Until we reduce human error, no amount of safety improvements in any car seat will curb the statistics.
Using our software that is accessed on vehicle's touchscreen, a child's height and weight is inputted and the seat moves into the optimal position for the safest seatbelt or harness points. It's a different world we live in today. Our seat technology ends all of the hassle of car seats. We take out the guesswork. The seat is made to be ordered right from the car maker, and yes, you can have more than one side by side. For infants, the carrier is installed in the normal fashion when the seat is in default position. Our seat concept is extremely helpful for kids with special needs because our technology was designed for the safety of all children. You can have a seat that takes the guesswork out of securing children. Together, with this seat technology, we can curb the statistic.
Our company, Forever in Motion, envisions that one day, every family and their children will have access to safer and better seating. This vision can start with a partnership with a vehicle or seating manufacturer.